Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Advanced Rendering with Vray. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master advanced rendering with Vray for architecture and civil engineering. We offer training in advanced rendering with Vray in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Vray, empowering you with the skills needed for creating highly realistic and visually stunning renderings for architectural and civil engineering projects. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Setting up Vray materials for realistic surfaces and textures. Understanding lighting strategies and techniques for optimal rendering. Exploring Vray cameras and composition for captivating images. Fine-tuning Vray settings for high-quality render outputs. Utilizing Vray elements and post-processing for enhanced visuals. Working with specialized Vray features like fur and subsurface scattering. Collaborative rendering workflows for teams in the AEC industry. Enroll in the Advanced Rendering with Vray course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful rendering software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.